It's Kate with WTI. I love to have fresh greens in my home, but I have a cat who thinks that every single thing is her snack. So I have to be really careful. ZESTIGREENS has helped me to solve this problem with this amazing cat grass kit. This kit helps you grow self-watering cat grass. It came with everything that we needed to get this cat grass growing. I followed the directions, as you can see right away. My cat knew that this was for her. So I soaked the seeds like it recommended first, and then I went ahead and put the kit together, added the water, and then while it's growing, it is self-watering, which is so cool. And within the very next day, actually, I started to see some growth on the seeds, following the directions, keeping it covered, and then placing it in indirect light. And then I was amazed at how quick this grass started to grow. I am not good at growing things or keeping plants alive, so the fact that immediately I saw this growth was incredible. And my cat knew straight away that this was absolutely for her. She loves to chew on this, and I've noticed that it actually keeps her from chewing on the fake plants that she used to love to chew on. So this is such a great option for her. It keeps her happy, it keeps me happy, and it adds some beautiful greenery to our home that I know is going to be safe for my kitty. So if you want to add some beautiful lush green to your home, but you want to do that in a way that is safe for your cat, well, we highly recommend checking out this kit by ZESTIGREENS. Your cat is going to love it, and we think you will too. But that's just our point of view.